Continuing with our crazy Uchiha series, when Uchiha laughs like this, you need to run. Like, you need to get out of there. Something bad's going to happen. What is it like? What is it with this clan? They like needed a mental health practitioner in the village. Clearly. Let's draw Sasuke laughing. Right, so head tilted back, 2 eyes closed. Kind of a bit easier to draw eyes this way. So you're going to go, say we're up above, where like his head is tilted back, right? So the eyes are like high up on the page. So we'll go, which one? We'll do this one first. It's kind of just like a curved line, right? But you want to thicken it up. Right. Do the same thing over the other side. It's kind of higher up a bit, is it? And we just make it a bit darker. Okay, and then eyelid lines and eyebrows. So we have an eyelid line here. Same on this side. Okay, this side is definitely sort of lower down. He's got like loads of blood coming out of this side as well. Right, so the eyebrows say on this side, so we'll go up, very sort of high up like this, and it kind of arches back this way. And then we bring it down towards the front, and it's always thicker at the front. And then he has a couple of like nose wrinkles, because he's laughing so hard. And the other eyebrow, so it's kind of underneath the hair spike, but we'll go here. We want to like thicken it up at the front and thinner at the back. Okay, so his nose comes down from this eyebrow to there. They don't kind of, we'll draw it in a different way, I think, than the way they do it. So we go put it down like so. And you got maybe like a nostril in there, and then a nostril over that side. That's kind of all you have to do for anime eyes. You got bags under his eyes. And then we got a massive mouth. So say the side of it kind of like here underneath that eye, and then the other one underneath about the middle of that eye. This is huge, like, so it's like ridiculously big. So like the top of it comes across like so. And then we go down. around the bottom, so it's huge. Really big, right? And then his top teeth are pretty big as well. So we can just see sort of this top line, the way it's drawn in, real smooth. And then his molars at the back, so they're kind of bumpy. And then on this side, and then we got his tongue. Two bumps like that, and then teeth at the back. What way do they go? Kind of like just back into the back of the mouth there. Right, and then bottom teeth curving around just the bottom here. Like so. And it's just all dark in there. Right, so chin, so kind of square chin, and he's got like blood dripping off it, coming from the eye. So where's the blood? So we'll go up here, right? And there's like blood coming down here, but we can see his jaw on this side. So we'll go for his jaw. So then here, you can't really see the side of his face that much because of, like, there's a bit of a bump for the eye blood thing. So we'll draw this in, right? Now this is sort of done with red color, so, but we kind of have to draw it in if we're using pencils and pens and stuff. I mean, there's another little bit here. Kind of closes off the jaw or something on that side. All right, and then like the side of his face is kind of like stretched out up here. Disappears underneath his hair. And then there's like lots of like little sort of scratches and, you know, little dots of dirt and all this kind of stuff on his face and cheeks, because he's been fighting and slowly going insane. I gotta do Itachi laughing now as well. They all do it. Obito, Sasuke, Itachi, Madara. They all go nuts. Did Shisui go nuts? Maybe not. Right, so hair spikes. Short ones on his fringe. And then there's like a hairline here, but it doesn't really go to a spike. It's like a highlight. But this one does, so there's a long one. And she looks like it just spikes twice here. Okay. All right, so like this, the outside of this, right? So it kind of goes flat here, and then changes direction and down. It's like the hair on the other side. It goes behind his neck, and then behind his ear and his collar. So his ear is like kind of in line with the top of his mouth here. And you got some like ear lines just in there. And then there's a collar there, but the hair sort of comes around. So we'll go from this side. We'll just start adding some of these hair spikes. Then they go down behind his collar. One here. Stop maybe there, because his collar's beside his ear. So the collar is like here, goes this way, right? And down. Boom, all the way. This one goes maybe to about there. And he's got like a zipper line just here. And then like in here we can see his neck. So his neck is like pretty long in this case because his head is tilted back. See a few more hair spikes in here. And here. And then they do this little extra sort of shadow underneath his chin. And then neck muscle. And we got his collarbones. And then his other collar on this side. Okay, and then shoulder. And shoulder. And that's it. Sasuke laughing. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.